guys, just wanted to talk you through how to use Teams to do your live lessons for the next, 6 school days. So I've opened Teams, and as you can see, I'm using the desktop app. So this is what it should look like. Obviously, the student is very lucky. They only have 2 lessons, and that's it. Now, the first thing you'll get is an invitation via email to attend a meeting with your form tutor. Let's say this student doesn't like to check their emails, just on the off chance that I've asked them to do something or somebody's chasing them up for a piece of homework. The easiest way to get to your meetings is by clicking on calendar at the side. Once you click calendar, it will bring up your schedule for the week. Now I've changed it slightly. If you see just here, it says day. Normally yours will say working week. However, it's not the working week, it's a Sunday evening. So I've changed mine to day. And you can see here, it says Monday's lesson. Now, I will have received an email invite, but I'm not bothering to use that. And so all I would do to attend this is just click on join. Now you will see a series of these. You should end up having 6 of them, starting at 8:45, which will be your registration, and then 9 till 10, 10 to 11, 11:30 to 12:30, 12:30 to 1:30, and then from 2 till 3. You just need to make sure that in your emails, when you get those invitations, you click accept. Now, let's say I have finished with my registration and I've attended period 1. My teacher has gone through and they've given me the information and they've said, okay, I want you to go away and I want you to do the work I have set you as an assignment. Now, there's a couple of ways that we can do this. The first way we can do it is by clicking on Teams. I then select the class, and if you have a look here, it's come up and it says view assignments. I'll also get an activity notice, so there's an assignment that's been mentioned, or where it says assignments on the left, there's the little red dot. It will bring up your classes and then you click next. So let's say, for example, I want to complete this assignment. I click view assignment and this is what I see. So my teacher has asked me to use this to submit the work completed in the live lesson. So I know that I should have been in the lesson with my teacher beforehand. They want me to read through the textbook pages. This says textbook pages 49 to 51. Let's pretend I haven't uploaded page 56 and I've uploaded the right one. All I need to do is I just click on this file and it will open up my textbook pages. I can read through using the arrows at the bottom. You can zoom, you can rotate, and once you're done reading, you simply click close. Now the next task is to answer questions 1 to 5 on page 49 and then use the information from today's lesson to complete the table on the attached worksheet. If I wanted to answer the questions, I can do this by hand. All I would do is I'd complete it on the paper, take a picture of it, and then I find it easiest to use the Teams app on my phone. Click add work. It will bring up your options. Where do you want to upload the work from? So it could be, is it from a new file, maybe a Word document, and I can type directly onto that, or I can insert the document I want to upload. Now the next task says, use the information from today's lesson to complete the table on the attached worksheet. And so my teacher has given me this worksheet here. Now this is my copy of it. If I wanted to edit this, then all I would need to do is to open it in the desktop app. It's going to take ages, of course it is. Once it's opened in the desktop app, I can then go ahead, sign myself in and edit the document that way. Now, once I've done that and I've edited that and I have uploaded my work, all I need to do after that point is to click hand in. There is no point clicking hand in right now because I haven't uploaded any work. This is the important section. You need to make sure that your completed classwork is uploaded here before you click on hand in. Once I've handed it in, the teacher will get a notification telling them that I have done this work. Now let's say I've handed it in, but I've realised it says, oh, answer questions 1 to 5, and I haven't done that. All I need to do is go back, click undo hand in, and it will allow me to upload some more work. You can also do this once your teacher has given you some feedback. And so I've done the classwork. I can make sure I go back on assignments, double check I don't have anything outstanding, and then you are done for the day.